Now to a Beverly Hills real estate robbery. Two men are now facing charges accused of stealing from celebrity homes using open houses to case the joint, targeting stars like Usher, Adam Lambert, and one of the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. ABC's Janae Norman is here with more on this story. Good morning, Janae.
Good morning, Amy. This is a wild story that sounds more like a movie plot, and it happened in Hollywood. A real estate agent and his accomplice accused of hitting more than a dozen homes, now charged in the case that includes more than 50 charges. Two men are facing dozens of charges this morning after allegedly burglarizing celebrity homes. The pair accused of stealing more than $500,000 from big-name stars, including Usher,
Baby, let me love you down.
And Adam Lambert. Real Housewives star Dorit Kemsley and former NFL linebacker Sean Phillips were also targeted, according to the complaint. Prosecutors say a Beverly Hills Realtor, Emil Yaselli, was behind the Southern California burglaries, allegedly facilitating the crimes during open houses in Beverly Hills, West Hollywood, Brentwood, and the Hollywood Hills. According to the criminal complaint, from December 2016 through August 2018, Yaselli encouraged his alleged accomplice Benjamin Eaton Ackerman to steal luxury items from 14 homes and sell them in order to repay Yaselli's credit cards. Ackerman's attorneys say they arrested the wrong person.
Mr. Ackerman, I want to say, and I want to emphasize, is not just presumed innocent, he's actually innocent. He didn't do it.
This coming just months after LAPD deemed Ackerman the Hollywood burglar, saying he committed at least a dozen heists, allegedly posing as a realtor, rolling up to open houses in a luxury car before coming back to wipe them out.
When he showed up, he was dressed to the nines. He acted the part. He was very slick.
No charges were filed then. Ackerman now arrested on the same alleged conduct. After executing a search warrant in September 2018 on Ackerman's home and storage unit, police say they found thousands of items the suspect allegedly stole. So many they set up a website to catalog them all. And Yaselli is due in court today. Prosecutors are recommending bail be set at more than $1.7 million. Both men could face more than 30 years in jail, accused of taking a lot of things.
Yeah, and you trust real estate agents with your home when you're not there.
Completely with your home.
All right, Janae, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.